In this video, we are going to talk about the easiest way to earn money online without investment, 2021. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Making money has never been easier than it is now, thanks to the internet. The best part is that thanks to the internet, you can make money online without making a significant financial investment, all from the comfort of your own home. The good news is that you don't have to spend a lot of money to start earning money online, whether your goal is to earn a few extra dollars every month or to start a full-fledged business from the ground up. Number 10. One easy way to earn money online is taking online surveys. Taking online surveys will not necessarily make you wealthy, but it is a simple and convenient way to earn a few extra dollars in your spare time. There are a plethora of survey websites available, but Swagbucks is unquestionably one of our favorites. Swagbucks is completely free to join. In fact, you can earn up to $10 just for signing up and completing a few easy tasks. Swagbucks allows you to earn money by doing the following activities. For each survey you complete, you will earn rewards points. Online shopping, watching videos on the internet, and a variety of other activities are all covered in surveys. Per survey, you can earn anywhere from 40 to 200 points. In fact, if you buy 100 pints on this site, you will receive $1. You will be rewarded. You can choose to exchange your points for a gift card or PayPal cash if you prefer. Those who prefer not to participate in surveys can earn points by watching ad-like videos on a variety of topics including news, sports, and entertainment. You will receive $10 for each new user who registers. Simply put, you can watch the video while doing other things, such as reading the newspaper or doing chores around the house. It is not going to make you wealthy, but it will provide you with enough money to buy a week's worth of Starbucks coffee or lunch. Number 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Do you happen to have some spare cash lying around? Participating in peer-to-peer lending allows you to earn money through interest payments. Are you unfamiliar with the concept of peer-to-peer lending? That's fine with me. When it comes to peer-to-peer lending, you have the option of picking and choosing which loans to invest in. By utilizing a reputable website, such as Prosper, you can be assured of finding the best and most creditworthy borrowers available. Once you have identified a loan to invest in, you can begin earning money in the form of interest, which is automatically deposited into your account on a monthly basis. Number 8. Be a freelance designer. When it comes to earning extra money every month, freelancing is an excellent option for those who have artistic abilities. On 99 Designs, you can find freelance work in a variety of fields such as graphic design, web design, logo design, and even book covers. It is completely free to register and begin searching for clients. Pay varies from project to project, but you can expect to be paid within 3 business days. Number 7. Write reviews. Did you know that you can be compensated for providing your frank opinions? Software Judge is a website where you can register and review various software products. As soon as you finish testing software, you provide a thorough and accurate review, and you are compensated for your efforts. If you're looking for quick cash, this is the website to visit first. You can earn a maximum of $50 for an outstanding review on Amazon. Payment is made through Western Union, and after earning at least $20, you can download a game from the company's website. You can also provide feedback on physical products, which can range from books to small gadgets and household appliances. Begin with websites such as PinchMe to gain experience. Number 6. Test websites. It is impossible for websites to be successful if the general public does not regard them as user-friendly. As a result, many businesses pay money to website testers who provide valuable feedback on their websites. Website testing is a fantastic and simple way to make money online from the comfort of your own home and in your spare time. In addition to testing the new website's user-friendliness, they look for errors that should be corrected in order to improve usability. We are all aware that a poor user experience can result in high website bounce rates, which can have a negative impact on a company's overall revenue. As a result, website testers play an important role in assisting businesses in proactively correcting website errors that can have a negative impact on their bottom line. Website testing also looks at the layout, loading time, navigation, and information structure of a website, among other things. Number 5. Start an e-commerce store. creating an online store does not require you to spend a large sum of money up front. In reality, it isn't nearly as difficult as you might think. The most advantageous aspect of running an online business is that you can maintain your day job while working on your side hustle. In reality, now is the best time to get into the internet business craze, because global e-commerce sales are increasing year after year, making now the best time to get started. Set up your e-commerce website with Shopify, and you'll pay as little as $9 per month for the privilege. You can list your products or services for sale quickly and easily using the Shopify platform. Shopping cart software. Shopify takes care of all the marketing, payment collection, and shipping needs for you. No matter what you are trying to sell, Shopify takes care of the majority of the work, allowing you to concentrate on the product itself. Of course, the amount of money you can make online is dependent on your skill set as well as the amount of time you are willing to devote to your online venture. Working a couple of hours per day, you can easily earn between $100 and $1,000 per month by simply doing what you love. Number 4. Offer translation services. Are you able to communicate in 2 languages? Then you can make money by providing translation services to other people. Whether it's for magazines, blogs, television shows, or even courtrooms, there are a plethora of organizations that are willing to pay top dollar for translators. Signing up for sites such as Unbabel can help you get started on building your clientele. Pros.com is a website where you can earn money by translating a variety of different documents. You can translate into a number of different languages, including Chinese, Spanish, Italian, German, Japanese, and Arabic, to name a few examples. Simply create an account and list your services. Number 3. Start a blog. What is one of the most enjoyable ways to make money online without having to spend a lot of money? Blogging. You have the freedom to write about whatever you are passionate about with blogging. In general, the more specialized the topic you choose, the better your chances of succeeding. In reality, when you publish high-quality blog content, you will attract a steady stream of readers. Once you've built up a large following, it's important to maintain that following by creating high-quality content on a consistent basis. This is the point at which you can concentrate on integrating affiliate marketing into your website. An online retailer will pay a commission to a blog in the case of affiliate marketing. The blogger can work to recommend retailers and earn a commission based on the amount of traffic or sales that are directed to the retailer from your blog post recommendations. According to the general rule of thumb, the more traffic your website receives, the more likely it is that you will be able to earn money through affiliate marketing. Advertising on your blog or creating and selling your own products are 2 other ways to make money from your blogging efforts. Number 2. Be a transcriptionist. Transcribing audio and video online can earn you up to $2 per minute, depending on your experience. In order to begin transcribing, you will only require a computer, a headset, and an internet connection. It is possible to sign up for services such as Scribie to begin finding clients immediately. By far, the most important requirement for success as a professional transcriptionist is extremely fast and efficient typing skills. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. If you are comfortable in front of a camera, you may have a chance to become the next big YouTube sensation. In fact, reviewing products on YouTube can earn you a substantial amount of money. YouTubers make money by reviewing products and running advertisements on their channel. Starting today, if you have some good video editing skills, you can start earning money through YouTube. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.